The next bit I'm going to be doing is the fins. The fins here, as I was saying before, decided I'm going to have them so they actually sweep round this way. I think it looks a bit more Predator-esque, a bit more interesting, I reckon. Get our template. Do a bit of an farty idea. Kind of want it to sweep back. I like a lot. It's probably a little bit too mean, actually. I might need to slim it down a bit. Oh, I don't know. Maybe if I put the fold there. So I've cut the bits out for this fin, the front antenna. What did I call it? An antenna fin. You can probably see what I mean by antenna fin. Obviously, the concept is they're not going to be positioned like that. But if you imagine a wasp, they have their antennae sticking out. That obviously I've got to make it more aesthetic and kind of evil, as it's turning into an evil sculpture. But obviously it's a fish, so they're down here. It's a fin. The thing is that it actually looks really nice like that as well. Obviously it's not going to be that big. It'll be up to there. But I think it looks a bit too, like, I look at that and go, oh. I look at that and go, yeah. It just looks a bit more mean from the front as well. Yeah, I'm going with that. Another thing I've noticed I've done is I cut off the tabs. On this one I've managed to, yeah. Now really, this one's the easy one, because that one I can kind of do what I want with it. I want it about there. The tricky bit is when I come to line it up on the other side, so this one's going to be alright, I've got it. I do like it though, so it's going to be tricky. So this is where you need a pair of hands, isn't it? Or a tail. I don't like using a felt, but it might be, in this circumstance, the best thing to do. Just like to add felts or not at all for this particular job, but because a scribe requires a lot of pressure. Just wanted to make sure that was in the right place. I might need to actually tweak that a bit. But if you're going to use a felt, cut on that edge, the inner edge. Whenever I'm cutting these thin sections ready to weld in, I always feel like I'm kind of operating or something. Like I'm getting ready to sort of pull out the guts or something. Oh, nice. To do a quick repair because I just it just slipped off the bench and completely bent this fin, which I'm a little bit sad about. This is getting trickier and trickier. The more bits sticking out I had on, the more to kind of break. there we have our fin antennas, looking pretty mean. So the next bit is these exhausts. I'm hoping to get some aircraft.